Alright, closing in on the mid-afternoon now. December 21st, 2023, Tyler Hayes here. 14:48, coming to you from West Ladysmith along the Canadian Nationals Barren Sub, Maine, nearby milepost 129. I'm actually at milepost 128.7 with a video lined up for you, another one. Going to have the departure of a power move of the S773 81 of the 21st on. So I understand that they just got on duty just a little bit ago, and they'll be ready to all run long and forward for this westbound move. For this pass, we'll have dash 92648 lead it on the move with the last 8 of the 12 MEI rebuilds of the CN 3132. That was previously GECX 2043 in the middle, which I have a feeling might, maybe, lead. Don't know for sure. And third will be the SD70M-2 of the 8889. So in a few moments here, we'll check out the roll-by of the power move of the 2648, 3132, and the 8889 as we'll lean back and get them. Here we go. Alright, a few minutes later, 15:03, the power move for the S77381 of the 21st has confirmed restart after turning off PTC for the 8889 that one. So the crew got on board the 2648 after they went to the south line and used it to have them faced west on the Barren Sub Maine. And that's them on the way, as you heard there. So let's hold on for another couple minutes and await the arrival of the power move. Alright, a couple minutes later, power move has showed up. Let's check them out on the roll-by as we'll lean back and get them. Here we go. Yeah, in 2648 with the MEI rebuild of the 3132 and the M-2 of the 8889. So it has authority from milepost 126 to milepost 110 to pick up a sand load at Warehouser. You can hear the dash 9 at run number 4. And backing off. There's the MEI rebuild in the middle. And away goes the power move of today's S77381 of the 21st. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great afternoon. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.